What if I told you that you don't need cameras, actors, expensive editing software, or even a film crew to create cinematic videos anymore? Today, I'm testing one of the most powerful AI video platforms right now, Higgsfield.ai. This is not just another AI video generator. Higgsfield brings real filmmaking control into one dashboard, from images to motion, audio, and full cinematic scenes. If you're a YouTuber, content creator, filmmaker, or marketer, this tool might completely change how you create videos. Let's jump in and I'll show you exactly how it works step by step.
So here is my dashboard and this is the interface right here. So let's start with the image section at first. Now you can see there are a lot of models right here. You can create your image anyhow you want to do it. You can swap face, character swap, anything you want to do. And also we have Nano Banana Pro, and Nano Banana Pro is what we are going to make use of. Now you see I've set it already to Nano Banana and I've pasted my prompt right here. Now you can set it to any aspect ratio, 9:16, 16:9, depending on the kind of video you want to create or the kind of image you want to create. So you can see there are some of the images I've created in the past. So I want to create another one. Let's see how this works. Now you can see this last image I created using this Nano Banana Pro. I'm going to come over and re-upload it, right? Or I can just come over and use it as reference, so anyone you want to do so. But let me just upload it directly. Then I've already let's now tell you that add a male by the side of the girl, that is the image I just created, right? So now you will see what this tool is going to do for you. Now the reason why I love using this Higgsfield AI is because it's all in one platform. It's all in one platform. Everything you are doing, anything you want to do, is it audio, is it image, is it video, everything, you get it in one platform, right? So now let's see the magic that this Nano Banana Pro in this Higgsfield going to do for us. So you can see these are numerous creations that I've done. In fact, you can even use it for thumbnail. All you just need to do is, if you see any sample of thumbnail you like online anywhere, you can just bring it here, screenshot it and bring it here and put in your details, put it anyhow you want it to be, and boom, you are there. So you can see, and the best part is that it is very, very fast. It's not slow when it comes to generating of images, right? So you can see our image is ready. Wow, this is super amazing. Now look at the lady, the first girl and the second one beside the man. You can see that it looks so much alike. It looks so much alike. So the best sweet part is that it's not going to change the facial look. So anything you upload is what you're going to get, right? So you can come over and download it to your device. You can download it to your device. So if you are using laptop, fine, just as I'm using right now. And if you're using phone, that's for you. So that's for images. So there are lots. You can check it out and explore. You see Flux 2, you see 1, 2 images, and so on and so forth, right? So now next thing we're going to do is want to check out the video models. So you can create your videos right here, cinema, studio video, edit video, click to add, like so many things. So like you can do a lot of things right here. Now let's try this cinema studio because it's very, very amazing. Like you don't need camera, you don't need film crew, you don't need you don't need expensive software. All you just do is just come over here. You can see right here, this is you can generate image right from here and turn it to video, right? So as you can see from here, I just a simple instruction. I said John Cena and The Rock fighting a wild animal in the forest, and look at it. I did not even upload any image of John Cena and The Rock. It gave me everything. Like this is super amazing. Now you can see these are camera movement. You can also check the movement of your choice. So if you are using camera movement, make sure it's just one image you upload. So camera movement, if you want it to be static, and tilt down, orbit, anyhow you want it to be, you can just do the camera movement. You can control it. That's the sweet part. You don't need to hold, when you're holding camera, you have to look at the side, both side and every side. But this tool handles everything for you. Now let's check others. You see clean 2.6, you see clean motion control, you see a lot of them. Now let's try this Kling 2.6 out. A lot of people have been asking me, how am I creating this AI baby viral dance? Like, I'm very sure you have been seeing this baby viral dance on TikTok, on all social media platforms. Now I'm going to show you exactly how I did this. Like, it's so simple and so simple, right? And look at this Kling 2.6. You can generate 5 seconds video, and you can also generate 10 seconds video, depending on your choice. So you can do that. So now let's try this out, and you see there's Google View 3.1, there's Sora 2, everything they are here. So let's try this thing out and see. Let's look at how it is being done, right? So you can see right here, all you just do is get your video, the reference video. Let's say, for example, you see a dance. As you can see right here, this is the dance right here. I got it from TikTok. Like, I got the video from TikTok, then I bring it as the video reference, and the image as well. I got the image I generated initially, I uploaded it, then I click on generate. So immediately after generating, you can see the result right here. You see the result displaying for you. So you can just check it out, like, do anything, explore this tool, because it has a lot of features, it has a lot of models that you can make use of and enjoy any kind of video you want to do. So there's not any limitation. That is the best part of this tool, right? So now that is it. You can see this, I've created a lot of things with this tool, right? So you can check the edit. You can edit video, that is editing, like your CapCut, your usual CapCut. You can do your editing right here. Now let's check the pricing for those people that are asking this question, is it free? No, it's not totally free, but it is somehow affordable, right? So depending on your capacity, you can just pick your plan. So we have numerous plans, like four like that. So the basic plan is $9 per month, and it will continue like that for good 1 year, 12 months. So if you prefer that option, you can go for that one, right? And the pro version is $17.4, right, which is that. And the ultimate plan is $29.4. That is the one I am using currently, right? So I'm using that one currently per month. Then the other one, which is the creator one, is $119, and this one has every features. Like, you can enjoy all the features in this tool. So that is the best part. If you want to enjoy all the tool, all this platform, you can go for either you go for the ultimate plan, or you go for the creators plan. So I'm very sure this tool is going to help you out. If you find this tool helpful, don't forget to like this video, comment, and share to your friends and family. Let them also partake in this. You can explore this tool. Don't forget to share. This is David Creative Lab. Come again and enjoy more content, more amazing content from me like this. See you guys in my next video.